Unlock the power of Webflow's CMS to build stunning, interactive directories that captivate your audience and manage your data effortlessly. First, let's set up our Webflow project if you're starting fresh. Navigate to your dashboard and create a new project once inside the Webflow designer. We're going to begin by defining the structure of our directory items. This is the foundation for all the dynamic information we'll be displaying. Head over to the CMS tab on the left-hand sidebar and click Create New Collection. We'll name this collection something descriptive, like directory listings. Now, it's time to add fields that will represent the data for each item in our directory. Think about what information you want to showcase for a business directory. You might need fields for business name, description, address, phone number, website, and category. We'll add each of these as a separate field type, for example. Business name would be a text field, description a rich text field, and website a URL field. As you add each field, Webflow gives you options for how to configure them. For instance, you can choose to make a field required or add helper text for categories. Using a drop-down or multi-select field type is a great way to enforce consistency and make filtering easier later on. Take your time here to map out all the necessary data points for your directory. Once your collection fields are defined, it's time to design how each individual directory item will look. Go to your Pages tab and create a new CMS collection page. Select your newly created directory listings collection. This page will act as your template. You'll see placeholders for your CMS fields. Drag and drop elements like text blocks, rich text blocks, and image elements onto your canvas. And then link them to the corresponding CMS fields from your directory listings collection. This is where you visually define the layout for each listing. Now, let's add the actual directory display to a main page. Go to a static page in your Webflow project, like your home page or a dedicated directory page from the Add Elements panel. Drag and drop a collection list onto your canvas in the Settings panel for the collection list. Select your directory listings collection. This will populate the list with items from your CMS. Inside the collection list, you'll find collection items. These are essentially containers for each individual listing. You can style these just like any other element in Webflow. Add images, headings, text blocks, and buttons, and link them to the appropriate CMS fields. This allows you to create a visually appealing grid or list view of your directory contents. Experiment with different layouts to find what works best for your data. To make your directory truly powerful, we'll add search and filtering capabilities for search. You can use Webflow's built-in search bar component, which automatically searches your CMS content for filtering. We can leverage drop-downs, buttons, or checkboxes that are linked to your category fields when a user selects a filter. The collection list will dynamically update to show only the relevant items. This is achieved through Webflow's interactions and designer settings, allowing for a seamless user experience. And there you have it. You've successfully built a dynamic and searchable directory using Webflow's CMS. You can now easily add, edit, and manage your listings, all while providing a user-friendly and organized experience for your visitors.